Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Hargreaves Lansdown account on PC. Hargreaves Lansdown is UK's largest investment platform offering a wide range of financial services. To log in to Hargreaves Lansdown account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.hl.co.uk. UK stands for Country Code of United Kingdom. Then press on Enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website. Now, here you can see login option on top right section of the website. Click on login option. On the left side here you can see the login section. To log into your account, you need to first enter your username, which is combination of letters and numbers that you have created. Similarly, if you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Your Username option. Then you need to enter your date of birth on the given format, which is first enter your day, then month, then year. If you want your details to be remembered, then click on Remember My Details box. After entering all your details, click on Continue option. After this, you will be guided to another page. Now here you need to enter your online password of your account that you have created. Then you need to enter 3 random digits from your secure number. Your secure number is 6-digit number that you chose when you set up your account details. After this, you need to click on Login option. Then you need to go through 2-factor verification process where you will get a verification code to your preferred mobile number through text message. You need to enter the code and then click on Login option. With this, you'll be able to log into your Hargreaves Lansdown account on your PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.